This unfortunate incident involving the young student athlete and the physical education teacher at Veer Technical, and not even the maverick can go around this one. A big idiot thing the teacher keep up. Whether you agree with it or not, the law says you cannot beat the children, none at all. And she got beaten plus PVC pipe? No, sir. PE teacher, you're wrong. And look, this incident is alleged to have taken place on November 1. This 13-year-old girl is preparing for champs in March of next year. And at the start of November, 5 months away, she feels sick and missed training, and the thing reached PVC pipe. So what would have happened if it was a January or February date, and one evening the little girl said she have headache or she have bellyache so she can't train? It would have reached iron pipe. This is a perfect example of what we've been talking about, the kind of emphasis some of these coaches put on champs at the detriment of the long-term future of these youngsters. Thank God this little girl and her family came public. Know that the Office of the Children's Advocate and the police are involved. What I would consider justice, if them find her guilty, I would recommend a public flogging in the Migler Halfway Tree Spear. Oh yes, 6 lashes with a PVC pipe. The maverick with the lashes, 6 lashes from the PVC pipe. Do unto others as you look some others do unto you. Take some of your own medicine, teacher. Take some of your own medicine. Take some.